Hello, I am traveling again. This is my suitcase ready with me. So I'm going to Kokrachar and to Bodoland University specifically. There is the Northeast Indian History Congress that's happening from tomorrow to the 19th, and I'm presenting my paper there. So this is not going to be the usual travel vlog that I make. It's going to be a little different. Even मुझे भी नहीं पता कि क्या different मैं दिखाऊंगी या क्या different होगा. But I guess we'll get to know that together. So let's go. The first food item has been secured. Oh, by the way, I'm with Anushya. She's going to be my companion for the trip. I think this is a kachori. I am most excited about the juice. You got the broken juice. First bite.
Isn't it tough like a core?
But this is okay. Works. Good.
I'm chewing.
This is going to be our exit.
Wow, this is how you will.
What are we going to do now, Anushya?
Jump on the track apparently. For you it is. Wait.
Oh. Successful. One of Anushaba's friends, Mushahari Dada, came to pick us up at the station. He was so helpful and nice the entire trip. I'm really thankful I met him. After completing registration and getting all the details straightened out, we headed straight to dinner because we were starving and the food was really nice, very homely. I was really impressed with the hostel rooms. The rooms were super clean. Bed sheets, pillow covers, blankets were newly purchased, and I really appreciate that. Good morning. It is the next day. Today is my presentation. So it is kind of chilly here inside the university campus, but the sun is coming out, so let's see how the day goes. Hopefully it warms up a little bit because I don't have winter clothes. But yeah, I'm just taking a walk inside the hostel, just looking around. It's pretty nice. I hope you hear the birds. So nice. Day one in Mekhela Sador. Me and Anushya all decked up. I also have my presentation today, so yeah. Am I nervous? I don't know. Let's see. It's very sunny, but I'm liking the sun on my skin because I was very cold in the morning and at night. I could not sleep at night. Did you sleep well?
I did. You heard me. I didn't hear the phone also.
Oh yeah, true. I did not
But
sleep
I woke
well.
up early. Happy birthday to Olivia.
I can't stop filming myself.
I understood that.
Your students for helping with the nitty-gritty and whatever's needed for the success of this seminar conference.
The inaugural function was pretty lengthy, but after that we went for lunch. I got snail by mistake, but I couldn't try it because I was scared of allergies.
And what does this tell us about how femininity, power, the body are imagined? This is where my paper begins. The title of my paper is Sacred Bodies, Reimagining the Goddess, the Body and the Everyday Woman in Assam. My book does not really look at goddess traditions in isolation actually. It looks at female body in relation to it. It tries to understand how the female body is imagined, how it is celebrated, disciplined and sometimes even silenced. It's really about the gap between the divine femininity that we worship and the real women who navigate everyday life. Assam becomes an especially compelling place to look at this situation because the ritual, nature and the female body constantly overlap. The worship was completely non-iconic. People say that even imagining her would lead to madness because she was so ferocious. And only natural symbols were used to.
मेरा चेहरा खिला खिला दिख रहा है क्या? Because I'm done with my fucking presentation. Now I can chill for 2 days. But Anusha is not done, so I'm going to disturb her the entire night.
Of course you are. Shameless person.
And look, the sunset is so beautiful. I somehow end up in melas everywhere I go. This one was inside the Bodoland University campus and every stall was so beautiful, so colorful. I had so much fun just window shopping. ऐसा कभी हो नहीं सकता है कि मैं एक मेला से कुछ भी ना खरीद के वापस आ जाऊँ. I got one of the brooches that you see here right now. All of those were so beautiful.
Okay, we knew that. You look here once. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Another day, another sleigh.
Ish.
It's her presentation today.
British surveyor arriving with a theodolite and a map. Now, where there was once a fluid frontier, which was, rooted in kingship and ecology, he draws a line. And from that moment itself, nothing remains the same. Not only the land, but even the way people see.
This is a disappointed face when Upana says she doesn't look nice after she looks nice. Like, I don't know what is your definition of looking nice and good. Yeah, put that in your blog. Because you're never satisfied. She started the day with another day, and look at her.
Why are you like? How is it? Do you have to wear the sunglasses for this?
Yeah, because I need to look good.
How's the food here?
The food's great. I'm trying grasshopper.
Try it. I want your reaction.
Chutney for the first time. Hi, hey man. Feels like getting a normal chutney. It's very spicy, very spicy. Too spicy for my liking, but people who love spicy food will dig this.
That's me.
And I'm digging from her.
Voice over. Morning walk. But duta words, morning walk. That's it.
Oh, what he wants. I think this one.
Pathor shopping.
Pathor, I know why he wants. He wants it for some work only. Ammak Nigune eta futa korise, he wants to cover it. That's it.
এতিয়াও ক'ব পাৰি Mushahari Dada invited us to his place for lunch. He cooked so many dishes. I loved everything. It was so good. And then he took us to look at the Indo-Bhutan border, and the way there was so pretty. You have to carry your ID cards, preferably your voter ID, for entry, and you have to cross multiple checkings, but it's worth it. trying a very new drink.
How is it?
It's like lychee, even though it's supposed to be berry.
Some other berry. I think it's lychee only, of a different type. It's like a berry though, not lychee exactly.
Okay, I can't differentiate. Artist. It was time to leave with a heavy heart because I had so much fun here. It was so nice to be surrounded by so much greenery, and at night the sky looked beautiful with thousands of stars. I tried to capture it with my camera, but it just did not do justice. We are leaving today and we had a really nice experience. The place is so peaceful and quiet, and the university is also really pretty, you know? And the people were super sweet. Like everybody would smile at you when you crossed them. Also the food was really nice because I got to try a lot of new things, and my favorite being grasshopper chutney. That was so good, and even she loved it. Okay, we are heading to the station and we are very sad actually, but we have to keep smiling, I guess. So.